All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to the continuation of our course series on how to use Metatrader 4. Okay. Sorry. Let me check my camera. I hope the camera is on. Okay. I hope the camera is on. Sorry, I want to be sure that this camera is on. Some of you may like to see my face. All right. Okay, that's good. So let's go back to MT4. All right. So guys, what we have here is the USD card, chart. Okay. Like I told us the last time, I want to show you different scenarios on how to enter a trade on MetaTrader 4. So I have done the pending order. Now I want to see if we can have an instant execution order on this particular currency pair. But before we do that, we need to analyze the market. Okay. So first thing first, I start from the weekly time frame. Okay, this time around, let me look at the monthly time frame and see what the market is. So I use this particular tool to reset my chart. Okay, all right. See how I do it. So you guys should learn how to do that. I can reduce the height from here. I can reduce the candlestick size from here. Okay, so but let me just keep it at this size. Okay, all right. So first of all, we take our levels. But first of all, we need to ask ourselves, what is the market doing? So clearly, this market is making series of higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and a higher high. Okay, this is the current candle. So for now, we cannot call this a higher high. There has to be a higher high before you can establish a higher low. Okay, so now the market is still, this candle is still forming. Okay, so we cannot use this particular candle now. Okay, we cannot use this candle. Okay, but all I know that we have is that we've not been able to break this major low. Okay, so the market is still in an uptrend. Okay, the market is still in an uptrend. I hope we get that. This. Okay. Yes. How we prefer to call this market an uptrend. Okay. All right. So let's drop down to the weekly time frame to see what the market is doing here. You can see the uptrend has been established on the weekly time frame. Okay. You can see that the market has really showed us that it's going up. Let's look at structure. All right, look at the highest high, the high here. Look at how this structure has been broken here. Okay, so we're in a clear uptrend here. Okay, we are on a clear uptrend on the weekly time frame. Okay, so we have the monthly and the weekly time frames. They are all in sync. Okay, so let's see what the daily time frame is doing. Okay, to establish that dominance of the bulls. You can see this market is clearly doing higher low, okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high here, okay? So this market is clearly an uptrend market, okay? So what I do is I come back to my weekly. Let me take my levels from my weekly time frame, sorry. From my weekly time frame, let's take our levels from the weekly time frame, okay? We use this rectangle box, this rectangle tool to take our levels, okay? Let's take our levels here, all right? Okay, don't worry, we'll fine tune all this whole process, okay? We'll fine tune them. Let's just handle them like this, okay? So duplicate this line, hold on a minute, let's duplicate it, okay? All right, this is, want to look at this level here, want to look at this structure here, okay? Is it okay to place this here? It may not be okay. Let's see what we can do to fine tune what is happening here, okay? All right, I think this level is a better structure level, okay? All right, okay. Fine. So let's drop down to the daily time frame to see what the market is doing. Okay. We are picking our structure levels, guys. Okay. We're picking our structure levels. Okay. So you need to just follow me and watch how I do it. Okay. Okay. That's okay for me. This is where my concentration should be. My attention should be here and observe what the market price is doing here. Okay. So I have seen clearly that this market is an uptrend. So let me see what the daily time frame is doing. Sorry, 4 hour time frame rather. Let's see what the 4 hour time frame is doing. Okay. All right. So this is where we are now, guys. Okay. Okay. I'm looking for an uptrend. I'm looking for a buy opportunity in this market. Okay. So let me use my trend line to trap price to be sure. This is how I use trend line to trap my price. Okay. See what market is doing. Pull back, impulsive move, pull back, impulsive move, pull back. Okay. Impulsive move. So the market is pulling back here. Okay, if it gets here, I look for opportunity to buy this market. If it doesn't, I wait for it to break this major structure to the upside. Okay, all right. So let me try and reduce the thickness of this. Let me try and reduce it from the monthly time, weekly time frame. Okay, so let me see if we can reduce it further. Okay, okay, can reduce it that way. Let's reduce this as well. I'm not really interested in what is happening here because for me, I can't see any proper price action around here, okay? Where my attention is focused is in this area, okay? So let's come back to 4 hour time frame, okay? All right, so this is what this market is doing at the moment, all right? So we want to look for an opportunity to buy this market, okay? The strategy is that if the market breaks this level, comes back to retest it, we look for a buy, okay? So let's introduce a moving average. Okay, let's try and introduce the 21 period moving average and see, okay? 21 period moving average, 21, let's make it black. I like black color. Okay, you can see this 21 moving average is good for me for this particular price action, okay? So let's continue to follow it. You can see it's very close to this trend line. So as we follow it, when market pulls back towards this moving average and towards this trend line, okay, that will give me added confidence in this market, okay. So guys, we just need to follow up with this market, okay. The market is not ready yet for us to take any trading action, so we'll continue to monitor the market, but before then, let's continue the markup, okay. So I want to, sometimes this is too small, tiny for people to see, so you need to bring it out to in your markup, okay. The currency pair, USD card, okay. USD card, this is the 4 hour chart, okay? That is how I do it, all right? So we want it to be 32 and black, okay? Good, all right? You bring it here, okay? Then I use this other tool to continue marking up this chart. So I say let's look forward for buy for buying opportunity, okay? Opportunity. Okay, guys, okay? So let's look for buying opportunity, okay? Because clearly what the market is doing, the market is clearly in an uptrend, okay? So let's look for buying opportunity, okay? What else can we mark up in this chart? Let's put these levels, okay? Let's mark up the levels, all right? Hold down your control key, left click and drag away, okay? That duplicates this entire object, okay? So what you do here, I I want to mark up my support and resistance levels, okay? So I call it my area of interest, okay? This is my area of interest on the on the weekly and on the daily time frame. Okay. Then I call it my support. Okay. My support zone. Okay. I call it my support zone. I say okay. I want to bring it here. I want to call here my support zone. All right. This is too large. I want to reduce it to say 12 or 10. All right, 10 is okay. All right, so I want to duplicate this. All right, bring it here. This will be my resistance zone. Okay, my resistance. Okay, resistance zone. Okay, resistance zone. So hit OK. All right. Okay, that's your marking up. Okay, so I've marked up the levels. I've told us that we're looking for buy opportunity. Okay, we've not seen any valid price action. Okay, so let's introduce the Fibonacci retracement to see. I'm just teaching you guys how to use all these tools to mark up your chart. Okay, so just pay attention. You grab it from a swing low to a swing high. You want to see the key levels of Fibonacci around this area. Should the market pull back here, you look for an opportunity. Okay, so let's say swing low to swing high. Okay, take it to the left hand side. Okay. All right, so these are my Fibonacci levels, okay? Too far away from price action, so I will extend it to the next swing high, okay? Extend it, sorry, to the next swing low. Still too far away, looks too far away. I will extend it here to the immediate swing low here, okay? All right, so this is more like it. So I wait for price to push into structure of Fibonacci. If it doesn't, I continue to monitor this market. If it breaks this structure, I'll wait for a retest and look for buy opportunity. Okay, so guys, this is how we do it. What other thing can we do here? I think this markup is okay. Is there any other thing we can do here? Okay, so we can use the relative strength index crossing 50 level for potential buyer opportunity. These are other confluences. I don't use them to really enter the market. So, but for me, they are confluences. Look for your trend indicator. The RSI is an oscillator. Sorry, it's an oscillator. Relative strength index. You select it. Okay. I need my 50 level. I need 50 crossover. I don't use the overbought, oversold options here. Okay. So I just want to okay, you can see this market is overly bullish because the RSI, line is above the 50 level. Okay, for me, it is an indication that this market is bullish. Okay, this market is bullish. Okay, so what do we do here next? Leave it like this. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, you can put this one here. This is okay here. All right. We can take this one back up here. Okay, bring this one up here. Okay, all right. So guys, that's all I have for you on this particular chart markup. You can see I can reduce the size of the candlesticks here. I zoom out. Okay, this is what I have. Reset the chart. Okay, if this is too tight here, I can bring it out from there. Put it here. Okay, I relocate this. Take it here. Okay, there's a lot of space on the left hand side. Okay, so okay, so guys, this is what Price is currently doing. You just have to learn how to use these tools, okay? Just have to learn how to use these tools, okay? You can put it here. Anywhere here is okay. I can rearrange this, bring it here. Anywhere here is okay. Okay, so guys, this is how I mark up my charts. Okay, I hope you understand it. All right, and I hope it helps a lot for you to understand how to use this application called MT4. I can't find any trade opportunity yet. Okay, so there's no need teaching you how to enter how to take a trade here because I've not seen an opportunity here. So I can put a cycle here. I can put this oval shape here. Okay. The idea is that I want all focus to be here because I'm expecting the market should come to Fibonacci level here, and I have a confluence with the moving average as well. Okay, so guys, this is how you use all these tools in MT4. Guys, I hope this video helps. If there's anything you don't understand, please feel free to drop me a comment in the comment section, okay? And I'll be glad to assist. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to this my YouTube channels. Okay, hit the notification button, okay, and also like the video. Okay, that helps the YouTube algorithm to to recognize this video and show it to a lot of people on the internet. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to producing more videos like this so that you guys can learn from me and understand the way I trade forex. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.